Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to apply for a loan in online banking or mobile banking. After logging into online banking, click on Apply for a Loan. Select the loan type from the drop-down menu. Enter the loan amount and select if you are applying individually or jointly. Click on the Apply for a Loan button to continue. Now you'll fill in your information to continue your loan application. The fields with the red asterisk are required. Click the Continue button and continue to follow the instructions to complete the loan process and submit your application. In mobile banking, after logging in, click on the Menu button, then click on Loan Applications. Select the loan type from the list of options. Select if you are a LAFCU member or non-LAFCU member and click on the Continue button. Continue to follow the instructions to complete the loan process and submit your application. Thank you for joining us.